du'as that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala taught us to make for our children. A righteous child is the joy of life, and a wicked, disrespectful, disobedient child will make the life of the parents miserable, even if they were extremely, extremely wealthy. Disobedience of the parents, disrespect to the parents. That's why uquq is one of the major sins in Islam. As a matter of fact, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us that from the 7 most destructive sins, one of them is uquq al-walidain, the disobedience to the parents. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave us as parents an amazing glad tiding from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when he said 3 du'as are answered and there's no doubt about them. Who are these 3 people that the dua is mustajab? Dua il-walid li-waladih, the dua of the parent to his child or to her child, and the dua of the musafir, of the traveler, and the dua of the one who has been wronged, al-mazloom. My brothers and sisters, the parents, please, in your sujood, make dua for your children. Surah Ibrahim, ayah number 40 is the first dua. رَبِّ اجْعَلْنِي مُقِيمَ الصَّلَاةِ وَمِنْ ذُرِّيَّتِي رَبَّنَا وَتَقَبَّلْ دُعَاء. Ya Allah, make me one who establish salat, and from my offsprings, Ya Allah, accept my dua. Subhanallah. Your son, your daughter are not praying regularly. This is one of the greatest du'as to make for the children, inshallah, to start praying. رَبِّ اجْعَلْنِي